Hey stitching muses and welcome back to Sewing Vision. I am Vivian and today we are turning the Noa Thong into a fully reversible bikini bottom. You can sew your side straps straight or crossed and have a really nice summer bikini bottom. If you like my sewing tutorials, don't forget to subscribe, comment or share this video. Now let's jump right in. For this style you will need 50 by 50 centimeters of your main and also lining fabric or fabric A and fabric B. Then for swimwear elastic I'm using 8 millimeters white. And that's it. Now we can cut the pieces. Fold your fabric and place the front piece on the fold and cut one. And then cut one back piece. And then cut front and the back also from the second fabric. And now the straps. I want the finished straps 15 centimeters long. We need to add the seam allowance, so I will cut 17 centimeters long straps, and for the width I need to count twice the length of my elastic, so it's 1.6 millimeters plus 1 centimeter for the seam allowance, so I am cutting 2.5 centimeters the width right here. So this is enough for 2 straps and we need 2 more. Now we can cut 17, yeah, and the second one as well. Okay, so we need 4 straps. Again, mine are 17 centimeters long and 2.5 centimeters wide. Then fold them lengthwise, right sides together, and pin them. Take your straps, take your elastic, and we can sew them with zigzag. And I'm using a zigzag stitch, not stretching the elastic. Then place your front and back pieces right sides together on both fabrics and pin and sew the crotch seam. Then mark a few centimeters right here in the crotch seam, and this is where we will leave the opening. And you know what, I will use just a regular sewing machine today, no serger. So you can see you don't need a serger. Then sew the crotch seam. I'm leaving the opening right here. Then we can remove the pins. and place the pieces right sides together and pin them all around. And sew both leg openings and also the top edges. At this point you can add the elastic to the seams, but I just like it without the elastic, so I am not using it. Yeah, totally better with this length. Remove the pins. And use a loop turner to turn the straps to the right side. Just close the loop. Then take your straps and place them inside the back pieces to the side seam. Try to place them as close to the edge as you can and pin or baste them in a place. So we place 2 straps right here. And the second one as well to the other edge, or you can pin it right there. It's maybe better to do it like that. So you pin it right here. So we have 2 straps on one side. Then we can place another 2 straps to the other side seam. And stitch both back side seams. You can go forward and backward to secure them in a place. Then you can use a loop turner to catch one of the straps, and it will help you a little bit to turn just the back piece to the right side. I think my opening is maybe too small. Oh yeah. Now we need the loop turner again. So I will slide it through this side and catch the straps from the back piece. So this one goes up right here to the top edge. Just be careful you don't cross them. But we can try it maybe on the other side. What do you think? I will cross them on the other side. Then catch the other one and slide it through the front to the side seam. And pin it the same way as the back piece. Okay, the second side. And we will cross the straps. Loop turner again. It's probably the best tool you can have in your room. So this one is the upper. So I will place it to here, yep. And then the last strap goes here to the top edge of the front piece. I just need to find the opening. Yeah. And slide it through. This can be a little tricky. You just need to place all of your straps correctly. Now we can sew the front side seams. Now we can remove the pins for the last time and turn also the front piece to the right side. Which way? The opening is so small. It's so tight. Go there. Oh, we are there. Yep. So we have the straight straps on this side and crossed on the other one. It's actually really nice. Why I haven't tried before. And the last thing we need to do is to hand stitch the opening in the crotch seam. And our Noa Thong bikini bottom is done. Fully reversible with a side straps. Let's try them on.